Hi guys, so this is now day 3 of our holiday, and I think this is the morning now, preparing to go out. We're based in Durban North, so we're going to go to Durban Central. And we had our platter, and in our platter we had mini pizzas, mini pies, chicken nuggets. These are all the things that we planned for the holiday, and we just bought all frozen stuff, and a fryer came to our rescue to prepare everything. And for cocktails, we had sodas, we had ice, we had cordials, we had Tanqueray. So that's what we used. I'm sure where there is blue, there's blue cordial. Yeah, and I'm not sure what was in the orange one to make it like that. I can't remember now anymore. But our holiday was coming out as planned. We're so happy. So I guess it's about on our way to Durban Central. I think izokwenza inhloko and then izokwenza nails. Christmas Eve ke ngoku nazo futhi yase-workshop niyazazi ke guys bantu base-Durban. And then I had to window shop while yena ehlele salon. I did just that. And after that, wagqiba sekulate. Nanjonge ezi restaurants ke around thinking about we're gonna visit them. But then besekulate, we then decided, but no, let's just go to Umhlanga because it's more closer to Apostela Corner. It's also north. Then we went to Umhlanga, we went to Tiger's Milk, and yes, into a pet service manapa. But asikolapo, took some pictures anyway, and then we looked for another place, Enoba Vibe. I think it's 14 on Chartwell, something like that. We went to that place, and it's very nice. The service was good. It was vibey. It's also Umhlanga nayo. And then after that, we went home. Last weekend, we decided to make snacks and make drinks again, and we did just that to finish off our Christmas Eve. So then the 24th ended. Salala. Hope you're enjoying the vlog.